Hey, what's up YouTube? So, today is a good day. 2 reasons. 1, done with school. Woo! And 2, I got an Empire Prophecy Z2 in. And I'm gonna unbox it. This is the white one. They're on sale. I bought this one from Elite Sports. But they're on sale like at A&S Gear and Zephyr Paintball, all those places. They're on sale there. The white and the camo for $130. I saw that and I jumped on the opportunity. So there it is. My Z2. And after I pull this out of the box, I'll throw it on my axe, just so you can see how the light looks. Man, that looks nice. Dog's barking. It's kind of annoying. Well, it's a bit smaller, I guess, than I thought. It's nice though. I like it a lot. Love this, by looking at it so far. Give it a good look in there. That's where all your stuff is. The batteries are right here. So that's really all I have. Well, I guess oh wait, no, I gotta put it on my gun really quick to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so it comes with a little toolkit, which is kind of nice. Empire sticker, manual, and a quick start manual. Oh yeah. Alright, just give me a second. Alright, so this is what it looks like on my axe. I don't think it looks too bad. Not bad at all. I mean, personally I like the black better, but hey, it was, what, $50 cheaper? So, yeah. Pretty neat. Alright,
I'm just a step away, I'm just a breath away, losing my faith today.
Falling off the edge today.
I am just a man, not superhuman.